The kitchen table is about that warm glow of hospitality. The best interpretation of love through the food you cook for your friends. And for me, that is the pinnacle of joy and happiness. This course is about taking you through how I cook. It's flexible, it's seasonal, but actually, first of all, has to be about flavour. That's joy. I'm going to show you how, with a sprinkling of herbs or a squeeze of lemon or some toasting of spices, you can build and layer incredible flavour. I want to show you 3 really simple puddings, how to shake a couple of amazing cocktails. I'm also going to take you on a little tour of some of my favourite shops and places where I buy ingredients. There's going to be a couple of showstoppers, there's going to be some simple fixes to make your friends think, wow. The biggest way we can impact climate change is by choosing to buy ingredients from people who care about the planet. If you can build a bit of connection to where food comes from, then that brings you so much more pleasure too. Entertaining is about fun. It's not about perfection. We're just after flavour and taste and having fun while we do it. Mezcal at the end of any evening is a really good way to go. You should really only make these people you really, really love. Learn how to celebrate with food with me, Thomasina Miers.